Hello again, it's Jason Ravnsborg, your Attorney General, this week on location from Deadwood, South Dakota. It's been a busy week. I started off in McIntosh earlier this week for a DARE graduation. Now I'm out here in Deadwood for 3 different conferences. The State's Attorneys Conference, where right now they're talking about DUI training and other important topics for law enforcement and prosecuting. Second is a Narcotics Investigators Conference that DCI is hosting. And third is the Sex Offender Registry Conference. At the Sex Offender Registry Conference, I did just speak briefly, and then we had a presentation from Callahan Walsh.
The Walsh family name is synonymous with protecting those who are most susceptible to violence in our society. John Walsh, an American television personality, criminal investigator, human rights and victim rights advocate, and the creator of America's Most Wanted, took this path in life following the disappearance and ultimate murder of his son Adam Walsh, a 6-year-old who was abducted from a Sears store in Hollywood, Florida in 1981. That incident changed the Walsh family forever. John and Callahan, now together, are partnering on a television show called In Pursuit, seen on Investigation Discovery, a television program again aimed at finding those who have escaped notice from the law but attempting to bring them to justice. The two are also still continually active with the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children.
Callahan works for the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. He gave us a lot of great information. He gave us a lot of great websites and training that our law enforcement can use, but also that you parents can use out there to teach your children so that they do not tragically get taken or something bad happens to them.
You probably get lots of messages every day, but what if you got one like this? What would you do? Would you send a picture? No? Cool. That's an easy way to protect yourself. But what if you'd chosen differently? What if you send the picture? They'd never share it with anyone else, right? Do you want the picture shared with others? Sorry, you no longer have a choice. It's out of your hands now, because sometimes people we trust break that trust. Maybe the person you sent the picture to shows it to some friends. Maybe they send it to a couple friends, who send it to a couple more friends, you get the idea. It spreads, and you never know who might see it. Your little brother? Your mom? Other people at school?
Seriously? Then I would never.
Even strangers could get a hold of your picture. You never really know where that picture will end up.
Look at it.
How long it will be out there? Or what the consequences will be. Don't let others decide what happens to your image. Think before you share. Learn more at netsmarts.org. And hey, if your image is already out there, know that it's not your fault. For information about removing sexual pictures and videos from the internet, visit missingkids.org/gethelpnow.
I want to thank you again for your attention this week. Next week we'll have another exciting topic for 5 on Fridays, and I hope you can tune in. But until then, may God continue to bless you in South Dakota, and we'll do everything we can do to keep South Dakota safe. Thank you.